What if I told you that the same discipline and focus you use to transform your body could also revolutionize your finances in just 75 days? 75-Day Challenge has blown up online for fitness and mindset transformation. But there's one game-changer benefit almost no one is talking about, and that's financial discipline. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the rules of 75-Day Hard, not just for better physical health, but to dramatically boost your financial health too. By the end of these 75 days, you won't just feel better physically, you'll be financially stronger, wealthier, and set for lasting success. Here's exactly how you can use the discipline of 75 Hard to become financially fit. For those who are new to 75 Hard, the traditional challenge looks like this. 2 45-minute workouts daily, 1 being outdoors, strict diet, no cheat meals, no alcohol, drink 1 gallon of water daily, read 10 books that are nonfiction, take a daily progress picture. But today, let's tweak this powerful structure specifically for your financial goals. Here's your new 75 Hard Financial Edition. Rule number 1, 2 financial workouts per day. Just as the traditional 75 Hard involves 2 workouts a day, your financial challenge will require 2 distinct money activities daily for 75 consecutive days. Financial workout number 1, daily financial check-ins. Every morning, spend 15 minutes reviewing your accounts. Track your spending, monitor your balances, or review your budget. This daily ritual creates total awareness of your financial health. For me, this daily habit eliminated overspending, uncovered hidden expenses, and significantly reduced my financial stress. Look at apps like NerdWallet or maybe even bank or your credit card company that shows your daily spending and your balance. The second financial workout, daily wealth education. Each day, spend 30 minutes actively learning something new about money. This could be reading financial books, opening up the business section of the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, or even Yahoo Finance, listening to financial podcasts, or studying investment courses. By day 75, you'll have completed nearly 40 hours of dedicated financial education, enough to completely transform your understanding of wealth building. Not only that, you'll be more knowledgeable on finances than most people. Rule number 2, a strict financial diet. Just like the original challenge's strict diet rules, you implement a strict financial diet for 75 days. That means 0 unnecessary spending. Cut impulse purchases completely. No spontaneous Amazon buys, random coffee shops, or unplanned subscriptions. Look, I've been a victim of TikTok Shop, and I know how hard it is, but if you need to step away from those apps, just do it. Or you can simply remove your credit card information from those apps. Create some friction to buying stuff. 0 credit card debt. Do not add a single dollar to your credit card balances during the 75 days. Live entirely within your means. Take your credit cards out of your wallets and leave them home. Even better, freeze them in a block of ice. This may sound extreme, but you'll see how stupid it is if you're trying to get your card out of a block of ice just to buy something on TikTok. During my challenge, this financial diet forced me to confront my spending habits directly. I became conscious of every dollar, dramatically increasing my savings in just a couple of months. Rule number 3, save or invest daily. In the fitness challenge, you're required to drink 1 gallon of water every day. Here, your water is money flowing directly into your future. Commit to saving or investing daily. Every single day, put aside a fixed amount into savings or investments. It could be $5, $20, or $50, whatever fits your budget. The key is consistency. I personally chose $100 a day. By day 75, I easily had $7,500 put into my crypto fund. So it can be done. Just start out with something that you're comfortable with. Rule number 4, read 10 pages of personal financing or investment book. Replace general notification reading with specific finance-related material. Pick titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Commit to reading at least 10 pages daily, no exceptions. By completing this daily habit, you'll finish multiple finance books during these 75 days, gaining insights that can literally change your approach to money. When I did this, my financial IQ skyrocketed. leading to smarter investment choices and wiser spending decisions. Rule number 5, daily financial progress picture. In the fitness challenge, the daily photo shows physical progress. Here, your photo is daily snapshot of your financial progress. Every evening, screenshot your account balances or your debt payoff progress. Document visually how your money situation evolves over the challenge. Download the app Empire Personal Capital. It tracks your net worth over time, something that I believe in is a lot better than knowing your credit score. This daily visual accountability was incredibly motivating for me. Watching debt shrink and savings grow made financial discipline feel exciting, not restrictive. Here's a secret most people miss. The real power of 75 Hard isn't just the discipline, it's what you do after the challenge ends. To sustain your financial success beyond 75, here's what I did. Maintain your daily financial check-ins. Keep reviewing spending, budgeting, and tracking finances daily. Automate your savings and investments. Make these habits permanent by scheduling automatic transfer to your savings accounts or your investment portfolios each payday. Regularly revisit your financial goals. Adjust and set new targets. Never let your momentum fade away. Post-challenge, these habits not only stuck, they accelerated my wealth building. I started investing more consistently and built stronger emergency funding, emergency savings, and dramatically reduced my financial anxiety. Before taking on this financial version of 75 Hard, my money management was reactive. Bills felt stressful, debt seemed endless, and investing seemed intimidating. But for just 75 days, I saved over $7,500, paid down my debt, and learned valuable investing principles. Completely shifted my mindset around money. Today, I'm more financially confident and in control than ever before. Financial discipline no longer feels restrictive. It's empowering and freeing. So there it is, your blueprint for transforming your finances in just 75 days using the structure of 75 Hard Challenge. You have everything you need. Clear daily actions, a structured approach, and a proven method for building lasting financial discipline. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to commit to these 75 days to financially transform your life? What financial goal would motivate you the most? Saving money, investing, or becoming debt-free? Let me know in the comments below. I'm here to support your journey together. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe button, because I'm dedicated to helping you level up your money, your mindset, and your life. Remember, just 75 days of focused effort can transform your financial future forever. Let's make it happen. Till next time.